Just pull it over there. They put it on here, and this is what we get. I appreciate the fact that they tried to cover it up, but this is just
bullshit.
Huh?
Bullshit. There's a fucking metal post in here.
Lay it right by their door, so they know that we'd rather let plants die than deal with this. I gotta call this manager tomorrow. He called me up and said, "Oh, we had some wind happen today and turned your rack over. But not one of them could come out here. All these young men, stand it up. Get it, Connor. Get it, Connor. Get it, Connor. That's how we roll, baby. Yeah, that's my pistol. My pistol. Yeah.
How the fuck did the wind knock that?
Did you just cuss?
Yeah.
This is going live.
Oh.
You can't cuss like that, man.
It's too late.
So I guess can we consolidate this?
No.
Can we consolidate? We should consolidate.
Consolidate it onto a trash cart.
We should consolidate this. See what we can save. Gotta love it.